Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about decluttering my home. There were a few areas that I had seen over time just get way out of control, and it was definitely time to tackle these areas and really get them organized, throw away things that I just was not using or things that may have expired. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to buy something sometimes and then completely forget about it, and then before you know it, time has gone by and I have still yet to even use the product. So clearly I do not need to have it. So that's what I'm basically going to be doing, going through different areas of my home and really giving it a nice, good declutter, organize, and even a great cleaning. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia, and here on my channel you can find a bunch of cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos. So I would love to have you stick around by clicking the red subscribe button down below. And for those of you guys who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back.
The stars in the sky. As long as the stars in your eyes. As long as the stars in your eyes. As long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart. It's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care.
So I definitely wanted to start off with our linen closet, and a few videos back I had shared with you guys this amazing door hanger that has literally been a lifesaver. This is where we put all of our different beauty products to even cleaning products, and it has really allowed us to maximize the space. But again, there is so much stuff that it's been a while since I actually went through it. Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys tend to buy and purchase a lot of things, and before you know it, you have so many different items, you don't even know what to do with them.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let
The next area I wanted to tackle was our TV stand, and I ended up finding a bunch of old exercise bands that were literally so old they cracked in half when I touched them. So clearly it has been so long since I have really even gotten a chance to declutter and organize this space, and I ended up using some plastic bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and this is where I housed all of our extra wires and things like that for the TV, so it's a one-stop shop in case we need to use them. And then I repurposed the second drawer, which you guys will see in a little bit, where I put all of Riley's things when it comes to changing her diaper.
There are stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the muddle, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. You grew old in suburbia, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way,
Now the next area is something I'm sure we all can relate to that gets really decluttered very quickly, and that is going to be the refrigerator. There are so many times that we buy new foods and things like that, and they end up at the back of the fridge, and before you know it, they are forgotten about. So what I'm doing is literally just taking everything out, so it allows me to easily see what I have, and then I'm gonna go through everything and just see what I can throw out.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside.
How often do you guys clean out your fridge? Is it a weekly, monthly basis? Let me know down in the comments.
Expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can.